Go, Bobby.
Okay.
Oh.
Gabi.
Gabi.
Go,
Hello,
Bobby.
Janina and Robert from Bulletin. And congratulations on your latest project. So tell us about your role in the Lavender film.
Yes, I play Iris Buenavides, asawa ni Tyrone De Vera, na gusto na akong hiwalayan, pero ayoko pumayag. So, nakahanap na lang siya ng ibang babae. And I'm a CEO, mayaman, we own a steel company, pero ang sideline pala talaga namin is like arms dealing. And then aside from that, mahilig ako sa martial arts at sa ballet. And doon, umpisa ng kwento.
So martial arts, you mean may marami kang action scenes here?
Yes. Opo.
Like, paano training mo sa...
Nag-training po kami ng FMA, so Filipino Martial Arts, Cali, ganyan, Arnis, at syempre yung mga basics ng fight, kasi first time ko lang naman po talagang mag-a-action.
Okay.
Ayun, yun po.
When you were told na ito more on action to, how did you react? Like, pinag-isipan mo ba talaga or...
Yes, agad.
Yes, agad?
Yes, agad, syempre. Kahit ano naman talagang i-offer po sa akin ng Dreamscape and ATS, yes, agad. But it got me super excited nung sinabi na may action kasi that's something I've never done. And fan din ako ng mga action films, lalo na kapag babae yung nag-a-action. Pangarap ko talaga yun. So super na-excited na challenge ako.
This is your first time working with Jodie?
Yes, first time po. And I'm such a huge fan. So when they told me na kaming dalawa yung magsusuntukan, super excited.
May suntukan talaga?
Meron po.
Anak mo na yung scene, o na-shoot na yung scene na yun?
Meron.
None of the curly sabonatan and
No.
Suntukan this time?
Yes.
Okay.
Janine, nung when we asked kung paano kayo on set ni Jericho, sabi niya parang you had to sit down with an acting coach for you to really understand your character. Bakit ganon? Pakwento naman.
It just turned out na pareho pala talaga kami ng acting coach na pinupuntahan. Ako kasi before every project, I really consult with Ate Ana Feleo. And I ask her kung paano ba, ganyan. So ginawa ko na yun. Pero nung nag-taping kami, hindi ko pala alam yung ginagawa ko. So kailangan ko siya tawagan na Ate Ana, oh my God, hindi ko yata kaya to. Like, I really didn't know how to play Iris.
Okay.
Iba siya eh, from everything I've done. Like, siya yung kind of person na wala talagang pinapakitang vulnerability. Kahit siya yung inagawan or kahit may sakit siyang nararamdaman, siya yung parang mataas na, hindi mo ako makikitang umiiyak. Ako, I guess with everything I've played before and me as a person, ang transparent ko na if I'm hurt, medyo kita mo talaga sa mata ko. So, hindi ko talaga makuha nung una yung instruction ni Direk na dapat hindi ka pwedeng mateary-eyed or anything like that. Kailangan strong ka lang. And then, I guess nakwento ko kay Echo na, oh my gosh, like, baka palitan na nila ako dito. Hindi ko ata makuha. Yung parang ganon. So, sabi niya, teka, samahan na kita. So, medyo hinijack niya yung workshop ko. Pero sobrang nakatulong.
Pero eventually daw parang nag-click na daw sa brain mo.
Sobra, super. And I'm so grateful for the patience ng creatives namin and nila Direk. And they really took the time to explain to me kung paano si Iris, kung paano siya dapat mag-appear, kung paano sila ni Lavender. Pero parang yung kwento kasi ni Iris, nag-umpisa talaga kasi dahil sa asawa nila. So, we really had to figure out kung ano ba yung relationship nitong dalawa, ni Iris and ni Tyrone. Kasi doon nanggaling lahat ng
Guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder lang, Janine, may sa description mo kasi parang ikaw magiging kontrabida. Kamusta pala yun, yung experience? Kasi, yeah.
Challenging. Super, super challenging.
Pero papayag yun.
Well, of course, ako naman talaga basta maganda yung kwento, game ako eh. I don't care if like 5 minutes lang ako dyan sa pelikula. Kung maganda yung kwento, kung maganda yung character, game ako. So ito, sobrang ganda ng kwento, grabe yung cast. I was excited about the action. Dream ko mag-work si Ate Jodie and si Jericho. So I'm so grateful talaga and honored na napasama ako dito sa Lavender Fields.
Okay, since we asked naman, how's your working with Jodie? Si Echo naman, kamusta naman pagtatrabaho with her?
Masaya, kasi parang medyo nerdy din siya eh. Like about the backstory ng character and like about workshop stuff. Na ako din eh. Parang, I always get nervous kasi before a role and before a character. So, ako, basa ko ng basa. And siya, ma-discuss din siya about like, paano kaya natin to pwede gawin. So, yun na-appreciate ko kasi at least pag ginagawa namin yung eksena, aligned kami. Tsaka natutulungan niya talaga ako. Along, of course, with Direk Manny and Direk Jojo.
So nag-click talaga.
Mm-mm.
Click kayo.
Mm-mm.
What other similarities did you find with Echo apart from how you work? May iba ba besides that?
Yeah, I guess, I don't know, parang our personalities lang are kind of the same na we're both kind of chill, but we really want to do well with work. We like the beach. And I mean, everything I guess na you would say about your friend, na parang, ba't mo siya friend? Yung parang ganun lang, na parang, click kami na, I guess, more than expected.
So did you really just meet with the project, through the project, or magkakilala na kayo before?
Just in passing, like hi, hello, ganyan. I remember, pareho kami ng table dun sa ball last year, mga ganun. So just like hi, hello, but we never really talked na talagang kwentuhan. But he's always been like super nice talaga and charming. So, na-appreciate ko yun every time I see him. Diba? Ganun siya eh.
Yes, Miss Natalie.
Ayun,
Gusto rin
na-appreciate mo ba
Nakasmile.
na talagang inamin ni Echo na nag-date na pala kayo?
Nakakatawa siya kasi pag akyat niya doon galing sa inyo, parang sinabi ko na lahat. Parang,
Thanks to Alex. Oo.
Siya nagtanong. Alex, follow-up question?
Tawag dito.
sabi niya specifically, abangan mo si Alex.
Oh my God! So, show ako? Abangan na susunod na kabanata. No. Tawag dito, reaction lang doon sa sinabi ni, did he tell you what he said?
Yeah.
Okay. Specifically what?
Na dating daw. Tama po yung sagot ko.
Yeah.
Sir.
Kailangan mag-ano kayo. Mag-jive yung sagot nyo. Otherwise, someone is lying between you. Di ba?
Hindi mo sila prepared, Lex, na may mga, di ba?
Ginulat
Oo
mo siya,
nga.
Alex.
Oo nga.
Who started it?
Tawag dito. Tawag dito. Pero believe ako kay Echo.
Talaga.
Kasi, tawag dito, many celebrities, parang they will try to evade the question, pero siya hindi. Point blank talagang inamin niya, we're dating, we're getting to know each other, di ba? Parang walang illusion of denial, walang parang di ba?
You appreciate that?
Na-proud ka ba dun sa sagot niya?
Yeah, it's sweet and parang refreshing and I guess nice, sweet.
Finally there's a man who is man enough to to say na nililigawan ko siya. Di ba? Parang ganon. Parang is he a Rara Avis of a man?
Hindi namin kailangan.
Si Rara Abby.
Rare.
French kasi.
Rare gem. Okay.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess one of the things din na I like about him is parang he's so chill and down to earth and parang not so parang in his head. Yung parang he's so friendly with people. He doesn't really care kahit nasaan ka or kahit madaming tao or sobrang outgoing and I guess outgoing din siya sa mga kwento. So, consistent ang personality.
And I feel parang he is not the kind that you will end up in a clandestine affair kasi very public yung mga dating nyo. It was in a mall, it was in a museum where people are very, di ba? Ang dami-dami. So, hindi siya, hindi niya tinatago, di ba? And that makes him a great man. Di ba? Kasi 'di ba yung iba kasi tayo dito, dito tayo kasi yung restaurant na to hindi tinatao, 'di ba?
Based on experience ni Alex.
No. I was never a kept woman. Charot. Charot lang. 'di ba parang gano'n? Is my assessment right? Don't say it wrong.
That's right. That's right.
Oo.
Actually, you're right. Kasi actually yung museum na yun, we just talked about it in passing na he had never been to the National Museum.
Ah, talaga?
And ako, I enjoy kasi talaga museums and ganyan. But of course, di ba, some people, especially if you're like an actor, parang sa ibang bansa ka lang
Oo nga.
or ganyan. So sabi ko, may friend ako na has something in the National Museum. So sabi ko, if you wanna go, we can go, like, pakilala kita sa friend ko. Pero National Museum yun like, baka madaming tao. Hindi, parang game lang siya sa lahat. So, that's really something cool about him, considering not just everybody recognizes him.
Jenny, di ba yung admission ni Jericho ngayon, di ba siya magbabago? I mean, won't that change your relationship with him? Especially since hindi pa kayo tapos mag-taping. Anong tingin mo?
What do you mean?
Like,
Parang,
mailang ka na ba? Or-
hindi. I guess
Sige.
it's the opposite. Kasi parang, hindi ako nahihiyang sampalin siya sa eksena kasi close kami. Yung parang ganun. I mean, we only really started talking naman before the show kasi nga yung role namin dito, mag-asawa. So parang how will we be convincing na mag-asawa kung hindi tayo magkakilala? So parang the first time na nag-usap talaga kami at nag-meet is para talaga pag-usapan si Iris at Tyrone at para komportable kami sa isa't isa. Kasi yung unang eksena pa lang namin may kissing scene na agad eh.